Welcome back to Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Challenger, an iconic American muscle car that's keeping tradition alive with some impressive modern twists. Buckle up as we explore its performance, design, and key features. There's a lot to get excited about. Starting under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Challenger offers a range of engines, from the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 to the supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, delivering up to a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower. This beast means business, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Whether you're after raw power or a daily driver, the Challenger's got an option for you. Plus, with an 8-speed automatic transmission and adaptive suspension, you get a surprisingly smooth ride, even for a muscle car. On the design front, the Challenger remains true to its heritage with bold, retro-inspired lines. But it's not all old school. The LED headlights and a new aerodynamic front splitter add a modern edge. Inside, it's more comfortable and tech-forward than ever, featuring a spacious cabin, premium materials, and an updated 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A standout feature is the available Widebody package, which not only enhances the car's aggressive stance, but also improves handling thanks to wider tires. Safety isn't left behind, with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning available. The price starts at around $35,000 for the base model and can climb over $85,000 for the high-performance trims, depending on customizations. Stick around for tomorrow's feature spotlight, where we'll dive into the Challenger's customizable performance pages, which let you tweak everything from engine response to suspension settings. Don't miss it.